Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Let's do another unboxing. We have 5 boxes today. Let's get it started. Okay, the first box we have Calvin Klein bags. First one is this one. Looks like a sling bag. Color black with the signature canvas. The next one is another Calvin Klein. And there's something inside. Calvin Klein as well. This one is brand new with tag, $118. A sling bag. It even has the paper. Yeah, protection. Nice. And I think this one is new too. New without tag. It's a hobo type. No, it's used. Good in great condition. Good. And they're all Calvin Klein. Another big bag, two-way bag. There we go. Looks like the Kate Spade and Coach, they have the same thing. I feel like they're copying each other. That one is done. Let's go to the next one. Oh, nice. This one's are new, brand new, all of them. I'm planning to use this for giveaways, for the free raffle actually. Because I do free raffle for those that avail my bags, my items. I'll use this. Looks like handmade. There's a bunch of them. Like pouches. Nice. Yeah, I need this. A bunch of them. And there's another box inside. Where do we put this? Here. Alright, this ones we have bracelets and wallets. Goes in leather. Do a zip wallet. And a wristlet. And another wallet. And Forever Young. I know that brand. And what is this? Guess wallet. It seems brand new. Guess, another Guess wallet. Fossil wristlet. Another fossil. Another fossil. And another Guess. Stick it out of the box. Or maybe There. I'll fix it in a bit. This one is done. Let's get this. Looks like these ones are Coach. A whole bag. A sling bag. Another sling bag with tag. We have wallet, bracelets, small wallet, and a shoulder bag. In decent condition. Another sling. That's good. People are looking for slings. Save them. Leave a coin first. Another sling bag. Kitty bag. Another oval bag. And the biggest. Shoulder bag. Right, let's get started. Next one. We have a Kate Spade. I like how Kate Spade dare to use different colors. Like say, oh, this one is broken. Other brands like always black or white or like neutral colors. It's a shame it's broken. Yay. Broken. So there. We have a Michael Kors. What is this? A Coach. It's pretty heavy. I think it's because of the leather. We got another Coach bag. Another Coach bag. A big one. And this one is Rebecca Minkoff. Big one too. I think Rebecca Minkoff is US, no? US brand. Genuine leather. We have Betsey Johnson. don't know if you guys are wondering why I always look at the corners. I check for wear. I don't know. I got used to it. That's the first thing I check. Because given that these bags are pre-loved, looks like it's long. Unusual. Tiring. It's a lot more exciting. Oh, this one is cute. What is this? Brighton. Yeah, Brighton bag. Yeah, I wonder why this box has a lot. A bunch of them. Two-way bag, Coach. Coach. I'll do it faster. I think I still have time. I'm still gonna do a live selling after this. Let's do it faster. Maybe not open the other box. I'll just do it next time. We have a sling. Bag. Another one. She's cute. Betsey Johnson. Sling bag. And what is this? Nicole Miller, New York. Another cute one. Sling. This one is Vera Bradley. Coach. Couple more of the slings. Oh no! This one is broken. It's for giveaways. Another sling. And what is this? For a second I thought it was Gucci, a vintage Gucci. It's a Lise Claiborne. That's that. Shall we open the other one? Let's just open it next time. No? Yeah, we'll open it next time on our next video for next week. Thank you for joining me. If you want anything, always you can always PM me or comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel, as if you like this kind of videos, I do all if you like this kind of videos, I do videos every week. And thank you so much. Take care.